Welcome back to Alternative Class. In this video, we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of fractions. What are similar fractions or like fractions? These are fractions with the same denominators. Examples: 5/8, 2/8. Both fractions have the same denominators. How do we add similar fractions? Add the numerators, then copy the denominator. Example: 5/8 plus 2/8. First, add the numerators. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then copy the denominator. So the sum is 7/8. How do we subtract similar fractions? Subtract the numerators, then copy the denominator. Example: 5/8 minus 2/8. First, subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then copy the denominator. So the answer is 3/8. Here's another type of fractions: dissimilar fractions or unlike fractions. These are fractions with different denominators. Examples: 5/6, 2/8. The two fractions have different denominators. How do we add dissimilar fractions? First, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Example: 5/6 plus 2/8. First, find the least common multiple of the denominators, 6 and 8. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and so on. Notice that 24 is the least common multiple of 6 and 8. Use the least common multiple as the new denominator. Next, solve for the equivalent fractions. 5/6 and 2/8 must be converted to their equivalent similar fractions. How is it done? Take a closer look. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Next, 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Last, do the operation. Add the numerators. 20 plus 6 is 26. So the sum is 26/24. How do we subtract dissimilar fractions? First, find the least common multiple of the denominators. Example: 5/6 minus 2/8. First, find the least common multiple of the denominators, 6 and 8. Let's use continuous division in finding the least common multiple. Both numbers are even, so they are divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 3 and 4 don't have common factor, so we stop the operation. To get the LCM, multiply the common factor and the remaining factors of each number. 2 times 3 times 4 is 24. Now, use the LCM as the new denominator. Next, solve for the equivalent similar fractions. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Next, 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Last, do the operation. 20 minus 6 is 14. So the difference is 14 24ths. Now let's include whole numbers. 5 is a whole number. 2/8 is a fraction, a part of a whole. How do we add whole numbers and fractions? Combine the whole number and the fraction. Example, 5 plus 2/8. Simply combine the whole number and the fraction in writing. So the sum is 5 and 2/8. Let's have another example. 5 plus 7 plus 2/8. First, add the whole numbers to simplify. 5 plus 7 is 12. Then combine the whole number and the fraction. So the sum is 12 and 2/8. Now how do we subtract whole numbers and fractions? Convert the whole number to mixed fraction, then do the subtraction. Example, 5 minus 2/8. First, convert the whole number to mixed fraction. Borrow 1 from 5 to make a fraction equal to 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 5 is equal to 4 plus 1. Change 1 into similar fraction with 2/8 by using the denominator 8. So 1 is equal to 8/8. So 5 is equal to 4 and 8/8. Next, with similar fractions, do the subtraction. Copy the whole number first. Then do the subtraction. 8 minus 2 is 6. So the difference is 4 and 6/8.